What if I told you you could get your car washed without a single drop of water? Introducing Wash Me Mobile Car Wash, the first home service car wash in the Philippines using a revolutionary waterless solution. Yep, you heard that right. No water needed. Imagine this, you're at home chilling with your favorite show while your car gets a sparkling makeover right outside your door. No more hauling buckets or dragging hoses around, just pure convenience. Our eco-friendly formula not only saves water, but also gives your car a showroom finish. Plus, you're doing your bit for the planet. Win-win, right? And here's the cherry on top. All of this magic happens through our super easy-to-use mobile app. Book a service in just a few taps, and our expert team will be on their way to you. It's like having a car wash in your pocket. So why wait? Say goodbye to the mess, and hello to the best car wash experience ever. Download the Wash Me Mobile Car Wash app today, and let us do the dirty work while you relax. Remember, it's not just a car wash, it's a revolution.